sa baha na sayang. Alam mo, ang napakasakit nito, ang daming nagugutom. Look.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, everything. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon, guys, ano tayo, guys, nag-i-edit ako sobrang aga. And then, yung panga ko, panga ba yan? Yung chin ko ba? Sobrang dry. So, ngayon, bahala na yung mukha natin. Good morning. So, ngayon is, ano ngayon? Monday. Darating si Mister. So, hindi pa nga ako dito. Tapos, guys, kailangan ko pa ding magtubig sa labas. Oy. Kailangan kong gumawa doon ng pang, dito sa basement, yung sa garden ko. Kailangan kong gumawa ng space, pero hindi pa ako talaga nakapag-start. Iwan ko lang talaga sa Batman. So, ang gagawin ko is itong pork ng aso. Ito siya, chicken. Hindi siya pork, guys. Manok para sa aso. Lulutuin ko siya. Gustong-gusto kasi nila. Galing na ako sa labas. Nagtubig. Tinubigan ko lang yung mga sinidling ko doon. So, tignan natin. Ito, maas na talaga siya, guys. Oh my God. I really need to, look. So, I'm going to transfer na. Kasi tumaas na talaga siya. Ano tawag yan? Germinate. Hindi tumubo. Same lang yan. Look, pero okay na yan kasi isa lang yung, or dalawa yung anuhin ko to make sure na meron akong sa akin na dalawa pag mamatay yung isa meron. And then pag tutubo, well, ibigay ko na itong iba kung tutubo talaga. As in, look, nakikita nyo naman tumubo siya. So, meron ako ditong mga container. Look, tignan nyo. So, ito yung mga container ko. Ang gagawin ko po is dito yung lupa. Ito, 4, 5. Meron pa ako dito. Oh, marami pa. Ito na, guys. Na-transfer ko na lahat. Tubigan ko lang. Look. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8. Hala, 10. Meron pa yung iba doon. Hindi pa na So, ngayon, tubigan ko lang sila, guys. Ganun. Kunting tubig lang. Kasi, para hindi sila masasyakwa. Look. Tubig. Nilabas natin agad, diba? So, hopefully hindi ito mamatay dito sa labas, guys. Look, ito sila. Sobrang liit pa, guys. Tina-transfer ko na sila agad. So, pabayaan ko lang. Ito siya. Sobrang liit. Pero transfer agad kasi para at ito yung kahoy natin na red maple. Look, tumaas na silang tatlo. Ito sobrang taas. So, meron pa dito, guys. Ang gagawin ko, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I-cover ko yan. Pabayaan natin siya dito sa garage. Ilagay natin sa ilalim. And, yun. So, ngayon, magbihis na ako para pang trabaho sa labas na damit. Nilabahan ko to. Pagkatapos ko talagang gamitin, nilabahan ko agad. So, yun. Mabango. Pagkatapos nito, madumi na naman. Hi everything! Hello guys! So ngayon guys, ano ako guys, bakit ba? Kayo, yung iba na nanonood sa video ko, every time na sasabihin ko, good morning everything, naiinis sila sa everything na yun. Kasi dapat daw, hindi ko gamitin yung everything. Kasi wrong daw yun. And, nasa Amerika daw ako. So, yun. Sabi ko, dalawa yung nireply ko. Sabi ko, wag kang maiinis. Naiinis siya sa everything. At ina-explain ko naman ito, everything is wrong. When you see, good morning everything, at I like to see everything. Gusto ko yung everything na yan. Kasi, nung nanonood sa akin, yung family ko, yung friends ko, yung kayong lahat na nanonood na hindi naiinis, you are my everything. Because pag wala kayong mga everything kayo, wala tayong nanonood. So, kayo yung everything, katulad na walang forever. Pero meron tayong everything. So, huwag kayong maiinis sa everything, Ginoo ko. Life is too short naman para mainis lang, diba, sa everything na word na yan. Alam naman natin na mali yan. At saka, andito ako sa Amerika, hindi ibig sabihin na lahat ng mga binibigkas, dapat tama. Dapat pronunciation is so good. Kasi Amerika na ito, diba? Ay, kigwahertz man pala ito, di ay... Basta na sa Amerika di, ay dapat na ganun. Ay hindi, huwag kayong mainis sa everything. Kasi yun yung ano ko gusto ko, okay? So huwag mainis. Kasi naiinis na yung iba eh. Hindi ko mapipigilan eh. Good morning everything! Good morning guys! Good morning everyone! Yun. So, kaya nang bahala. Huwag nang mainis. Sus, Ginoo ko. Yung buhay natin, kung mainis tayo sa ibang bagay, sa mga maliliit na bagay, Ginoo ko, yung heart natin, i-control natin yan. I-control yung puso. Mga kainisan, huwag kayong mainis. Tignan natin dito, oy. Ang taas na ng damo. Kailangan ko ng ikat. Kailangan ko ng ikat dito. Lalabas lang ako, guys, para mag-cut. Kasi ang daming, ang taas na, oh. Ang taas na dito. Dito ako nag-cut kahapon. Other day lang. Pa ako, mamaya na ako mag-cut. Busog pa. Yung tignan nyo yung ang laki-laki. Lalaki pala yan, no? Anong tawag niyan? Ito na yung garden natin, guys. Hindi ko na kayo nadala dito, pero look. Ang tataba ng yellow. Din yan. Ito din, nabubuhay. Ito, maganda ito, guys, pang border ba? Ito siya. Border. Maganda. Ito, lumalaki, guys. Parang ang daming tumutubo. Kasi, konti lang ito, eh. So, ngayon, para siyang nag-expand. Yun yung naobserbahan ko sa kanya. Nag-expand siya. And, namamatay yung iba, I think, kasi paginaw na, guys, ba? Kaya yun. So, babalik po ito every year. Yan din, every year. Ito din. Okay na, you have to go away. I have to put the cover na. Cute man ang akong babag. Okay, let mama put that cover na, be. Okay na, I know you want to, mom. See, mama, it takes forever. I've been waiting for this 2 days. You cannot put it. Okay. Move. Move now, baby. It's okay. I'm going to put this in. And that means you're going in too. Okay. Hey, you're not going inside. You're not going inside, love. You're not going inside, baby. Okay, it's new. And you know Dad is coming? You know who's coming home? Dad is gonna be here very soon. Himus sa mga baby ni Mama. Himus. Are. Sorry. Nahimusan. Nahimusan lang si Mama. Nakusian si Misty. Are, Inoko. Dad is coming. Where's Dad? Roxy, you inside my freaking skirt. What is that? Do you wanna go? Dad is that way. You happy to see your daddy, okay? He'll be here. Dado will be here. That excitement face, oh. Excitement faces. He said he's gonna be here. Dada, dada. Where are you? Dada, dada. Tignan niyo yung mukha ni Roxy. So yun yung excitement niya na parang, bakit naman sinabi mo yan ang tagal ni Dada? Roxy, Dada's gonna be here. Tignan yung cute face, oh. Ala ka. Hello. Hello. Dada's gonna be here. He's here, baby. He's here. No. 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 Subuang menuhilak ng tigwa.
Kisses, thank you.
Look, come in, Dada. What you listening? Where did you go? Why he's smelling you? Why he's smelling you? Come here, honey. Miss this wearing.
Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Oh, you just jealous. Thank you for kissing. Dad. That's right, kissing all of us. Okay, alright. I'm the little man too. I know. You first. You got me first, last, and everything in between. Okay. Thank you. Okay, enough. Hang on.
And you just bring it anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna check because I know which one is bad over there. So guys, the freezer, right? It's bad, right? So everything it went bad. So now need to be cooked. But this is, what year is this? I will throw the meat. When was this? 2010. Katatapos ko lang nag-cut ng grass sa harap ng bahay. So ngayon, titignan ko lang itong mga, kung ano tong mga dala-dala ni Tami galing sa isang bahay. So ngayon, titignan ko, maghanap tayo ng garbage. That is bad. I know that. Chicken. This is frozen the whole time, Tommy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can cook this for the dog. The garbage that it's meat, it go direct to the this one is, it cannot refreeze it. I will just bake it.
Can't be refreezing, it'll be cooked.
This chicken, just bake it. Oh, this is bad. I know that. Yeah, stop that. And then you have to carry it here. Seriously.
How is that?
Han?
I can't tell it's bad.
You can't tell because everything is good for you even though it's gonna kill you. Pork ribs. I'm just gonna look at the year. I'm not gonna waste my time cooking. I need to wash this bag, son.
Yeah.
Because it's nasty, honey. Okay, what that is that food too?
Yep.
Okay, give it to me. On the floor here. I'll do it myself. Oh, that chicken, I'm just gonna marinate it and then bake it. This is
Ribs.
yeah, I know, but is it? Try to bake this. Let's see. Let's see, what year is this? This is Italian. What are you doing? Do you have more bag? Oh my God. This one you have to try. You have to look at it. Smell it, okay?
Everything smells for everything that was dripping, so I don't know. But those were cold cuts that were frozen.
No. I'm going to wash it. All this thing is not edible now. This is frozen too?
Yeah.
What, do you know what is this?
Cold cuts.
So you cannot frozen cook hot Tommy. You frozen, you buy and froze, and then you don't eat. And you buy new one and you don't eat. There's something
I
wrong
didn't know
with
those
you.
were in there.
So of course you don't know. There's more in the refrigerator. I'm not eating bacon. I know this bacon has been years over there. But I'm not eating it. This is 2010. Look how nasty is this. Damit, did you see that? Oh my God, Tommy. It's just like common sense. Uy.
The ham I put in the oven.
Huh?
The ham should go in
Is
the
this
oven.
ham?
Yeah.
Let me wash this. Okay. Okay, there's one last thing. Oh my God, why you have to bring this, Tommy? I know this one is good. This one is need to be cooked.
Just two things like that. This one too, I think we cook them together. Just be done.
Which one?
And these burgers, I just cook them all up.
No burgers? No.
These burgers, yeah, these are the burgers.
No, this one is bad. I know that.
The meatballs?
This one is the lamb.
Yeah, that's a, yeah, that.
Is this all sealed, Tommy?
What?
Sealed. This is
Sealed?
all sealed. Sealed.
Yes, sealed.
This one is, I don't know if it's new.
Well, I'll throw it in the oven anyway.
So, we're gonna cook this and put it in the freezer.
Yep.
Ang dami guys, sayang ba? Ang daming pagkain. Kasi ito talagang Tommy have to start cooking. This pork, I know it's old. I don't understand why he still need to bring it here. Because this is the problem when your partner keep buying food. And he said he's going to cook this. Dahil sa baha ito guys, kaya nangyari itong ganito. Kaya baha kasi, maloka. Dahil sa baha, nasayang. Alam mo, ang napakasakit nito, ang daming nagugutom. Look.
We want the burgers in a Ziploc bag that were good.
There's more burgers here, oh. Two in the bag and
Yes, I know
whatever.
that.
Hindi na kasi ito Can I throw this out?
The cheese?
Is this bad?
I don't know. It doesn't look like it was bad. So like I said, the freezer thawed out, so it actually should be good to eat now.
2020.
Yeah.
So, no, I'm gonna throw it out.
No, it should be good. It's been frozen.
No, cheese? No. We should buy new one if you want cheese. We buy new one. Don't make your stomach ache. Ang dami. There's lambs. There's... Oh my God. There's another chicken here. Where is it? Right here.
We can cook some chicken in this thing too.
I'll cook the chicken over there for the dogs. And there's another chicken here from the freezer in your shell. I will cook that for the dog too. And this one is for you. Look. For you, huh? For you only. Because I'm not eating this. Or else I'll just give it all to the dog. Never buy any more meat, Hami, huh? Because, hello. My plant, huh? This is what happens, guys, when your husband buy a lot of food. And then, there you go. It's bad.
Yeah, when the freezer goes bad.
Oh, because you don't want to move. The house doesn't want to move. The freezer is not. You don't want to share it off. So, ang daming sausage. This sausage, I know it's new. Yung sausage na to, premium.
Probably sitting in the garage.
Who did it?
You.
You did. If it's in the
Take it
garage.
outside with your plants, you leave it in the garage.
No, that one is for plant. Okay, think about this thing.
What thing?
The lamb.
What are you thinking about?
What are you gonna do?
Put it in the oven.
Yeah, but what? What is the thing? What container you're gonna use?
I don't know.
No? You don't.
Any
You
kind of
don't.
pan, what's the difference?
Ang gagawin namin dito is lutuin, ilagay sa freezer. Para yun. Para pwede. Kasi hindi mo siya ma-refreeze eh. Masisira yung tiyan mo. Tignan nyo tong oven guys. Punong-puno. Dami kong nalagay. So, anyway guys, yun yung ganap guys. It is crazy. And you know what I'm going to do guys? I'm going to put this in the freezer. This thing. Before I go bed. Look, hindi ko nagamit. And I still have a lot of pepper sa garden. I can use this. I don't know, I'm gonna make some, pero bukas na lang, oy. Yung chicken tinola. It's not for you, it's not for you. Adoy, I want to eat something, but my Roxy's gonna think that I'm giving her something because I'm going to have this. And look, she will know the noise of it.
She's too busy focusing on the burgers.
I like it because it's vanilla. Look, she knows the noise of this Philippine.
Oh, we got ice cream.
One,
Mama got ice cream.
what? Did you just look?
Mama got ice creams.
That face is so pretty. Roxy is such a good looking dog.
Mama not sharing her ice creams. She got, but she's not giving me none.
You don't want? You don't want?
Giving Hobbs ice creams.
I love my boy so much. Can you feed him later? Can you do that for me? Fine, I'll do it. I'll do it. You don't want it. I can see that. Oh no! You guys, I'm just going to flip it over. Different kind of food, guys. This is beef. This is lamb. Sa tapas yung dalawa is lamb. And then the rest is sausage. Ito na siya, guys. Ito yung beef. Yan, yan siya. Yung sausage. And then, leg of lamb. So, yan. Paborito yan ni Tami. Ito. Pero ilagay yan lahat sa freezer. Para pag, izip. Kailangan siyang maginaw. And then, ilagay sa ziplock. And then, yun. Freezer. And then, meron pa ditong sausage. And then, yung lamb na malaki. Look. And then, meron pa akong lutuin bukas. Hindi naman siya namamatay guys sa init. Look, okay pa rin siya. Kahit dito na siya sa labas. So, look, hopefully mabuhay ito lahat kasi para mabigay na natin sa mga kaibigan. Yun. At saka yaon. Ganito, napagod ako. Ayun, daming niluluto. Naguhugas. So, hello guys. So, ang gagawin ko po is itong lamb. Anuhin ko lang ito siya. Ikakat. And then, para malagay sa, sa freezer. Ikakat ko lang ito po. And then, masiparit-siparit natin siya sa... Oh, this is nice, Han. It's so tender. So. Ako, so nice. Hindi po yan sunog guys. Normal lang yan sa Pero sobrang I know, alam kong wala talagang masyadong Pilipinong kumakain ng lamb. Pero masarap talaga ang lamb. Kapag magaling ka magluto nito, Masarap talaga to. So, ilagay ito sa freezer separately. Separate bag. Napagod ako guys sa kakahugas. So, yan. Yan na lang yung lamb. Look, diba? Ang ganda. At saka itong sinipare, dito lahat yung oil guys. Lahat ng oil na ano ng mga pagkain, 'di ba? Ang dami. Kung kakainin mo yung lahat na ano, oil, oh, ang daming taba. So kaya siniparit ko siya, hindi ko siya inaano kasi delikado sa puso. So, ito siya, kapag maginaw na ito, dito ko siya ilalagay. Kasi pag winter, itatapon ko siya sa basura. Pag winter kasi maginaw, diba? So, hindi na siya oil talaga, buo-buo na siya para sa basurahan, hindi masyadong maano kasi parang bawal ata. Bawal maglagay ng mga liquid oil. So, kailangan sa winter na yan. And yun. So, anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Salamat guys sa panonood. Kumakain na kami. String beans yung kinakain namin at saka yung niluluto ko na string beans with pork. So, anyway, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.